Welcome! In the next few minutes, we shall show you how easy it is to connect your Bosch Smart Home smoke detector to your Bosch Smart Home system. The Bosch Smart Home smoke detector gives you a reliable warning when smoke is detected. In addition, the siren can be used as a deterrent as part of the alarm system. For the installation, you will need the smoke detector, including the accessories supplied with it, which include suitable mounting aids according to the type of mounting required, possibly suitable tools, a pre-installed smart home controller, and a smartphone with the Bosch Smart Home app. First, start the app. This will guide you through the process with simple step-by-step instructions. In the main menu, select Device Management, then Add New Device, and scan to automatically connect the device to the system. Scan the QR code on the back of the device. Alternatively, you can add your device manually. To do this, select the smoke detector from the device list and enter the serial number and key of your device. The app will now guide you through the simple steps of installing the device. First, the smoke detector is configured. To do this, turn the smoke detector clockwise in the mounting bracket until you hear 2 clicks. The app indicates that your smoke detector has been successfully configured. For adhesive mounting, attach an adhesive strip to the mounting bracket. Peel off the protective film. Align the smoke detector to the escape route and press it together with the mounting bracket firmly against the ceiling. If you're using screw mounting, first separate the mounting bracket from the device. Hold the mounting bracket at the required position and align the plate with the round marking towards the escape route. Mark the drill holes. After drilling the holes and inserting the screw plugs, you can screw on the mounting bracket. Now turn the smoke detector into the mounting bracket. Again, make sure that it clicks twice. After mounting, perform a function test using the app. In the app, select a room from the list or create a new room and enter a name for your new device. That's all there is to it. Do you have any more questions? Find out more on our website or contact our service department.